how to turn off call notifications on Apple Watch. So if you have an Apple Watch and your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone and I want to turn off or disable the call notifications from your iPhone or your Apple Watch, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the easiest and fastest way to turn off call notifications on your Apple Watch from your iPhone is press the two crown once, click on settings. Now, once you select a setting, you want to scroll down the page, keep scrolling until you get to Bluetooth, then click on it. Now, once you selected Bluetooth, scroll down, make sure you turn off your Bluetooth. Now, once your Bluetooth is turned off, you will be disconnected from your iPhone. And when next you have an incoming call on your iPhone, you will not be notified on your Apple Watch. You see that? My iPhone is ringing and I do not have the replica of the call on my Apple Watch. This is just because I disabled the Bluetooth. So if I go ahead, turn on Bluetooth on my Apple Watch and my Apple Watch and iPhone are connected together, then all incoming call will also be redirected to my Apple Watch. So if you want to turn off call notifications on your Apple Watch, you need to make sure you turn off your Apple Watch Bluetooth so that your Apple Watch and your iPhone will not be able to connect together automatically. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.